Excuse the appearance yet again. Guess what? It's raining. And not just raining.
Pissing it down.
It's beeping it down. We've just arrived. We are staying at the Travelodge in Ashford. Not the one in the centre. Is it Rutherford Road? Something like that. He'll have inserted some sort of text telling you exactly where, I'm sure. And we thought we'd give you just a quick room tour. It is, by the looks of it, an older building and travel lodge. We actually have a key to open the door, not a card. So yeah, we'll show you around. So as I mentioned already, you've got a key, an actual turning key to let you in. Then you've got full length mirror, hey. Extra pillars here, a storage area with coat hangers, which I'll just put his soaking wet coat on. Goes all the way down. Then we've got a fan, don't need that, it's freezing. A little storage compartments into the room. I mean, even the kettle looks old. The kettle, we've not even got matching mugs. two random mugs. One's one size, one's here in the size, the other one's not going to get used because I'll straight drink anything. Teas and coffees. We've got a chair at the desk, TV, another mirror, hey, and lights. We have a heater, which I've put on. It is coming on, yeah. That is the only control that we have within the room. So we have the heater or the fan. So I'm guessing if you were in the summer, you might want it the other way around. There's the bed. It looks like it's got a pull out actually underneath it.
It's a lovely view of some trees.
Oh, it's like been at our old place at Disneyland. It's quite a nice view, and it's pissing it down. So yeah, same old. Let's look at the bathroom. What's in there? And this is my favourite piece of decoration.
The hole in the wall.
We have a hole in the wall. Literally, like it's a hole.
Doesn't go all the way through.
It doesn't.
No.
This is the bathroom. We're just embracing life.
What we do have to bear in mind is this was $29.99 for a night.
Yeah, we still should get money back for a hole in the wall. You've got a toilet, hysterical me, sink, bathroom and shower. Yeah, it is clean in fairness. Like, there's nothing wrong with the room, is there? So as I was saying, it is clean. There really isn't anything wrong with it. Like the linen on the bed and the towels and everything looks clean. And even though the cups aren't matching and everything, they're clean. So, yeah. And as he says, we paid like 30 pounds. So we really shouldn't complain. But it was really bizarre. Like as we walked into so we did the check-in, then we came upstairs, and as you were walking along the corridors, it felt like you were in one of them like funky houses, fun houses. You know, walking along and it's bending underneath you. Anyway, a bit of a novelty factor there. So it was, how far have we driven? About 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes from Europe.
So we got off, we actually stopped on the way, we got a Subway.
Not thinking there was stuff here, but it turns out there was a Burger King, a McDonald's, a Frankie and Benny's, a KFC, and a little bit of other stuff here.
This is actually, from that point of view, it's a good location, and I don't think we're far from Ashford either, which again has got options. And it was quite straight off the motorway as well, wasn't it?